Hello guys, in this video we are going to have a look at the new Laravel 11 feature, Laravel Reverb. In order to prove that this is working, we will try to create a very small chat app, and we will try to communicate between two separate windows, a private window and a normal window. Okay? Well, first of all, let's check the docs. In order to do that, of course, we need to install a Laravel app. And after, we will run PHP Artisan Broadcasting. Let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna open my PHP store. So now I'm going to use the command Laravel new and the name of the app in order to create a new app. So Laravel new reverb tutorial. This is the name of the app. Okay, I'm going to use Jetstream and live wire. None. One. No. Okay. The installation has finished and we are now in the root folder of our project. So let's check what the docs are saying for our next steps. Alright. Let's go to docs. Well, we have to run PHP Artisan install broadcasting in order to install Laravel Reverb. Let's do that. So it's asking straight away, would you like Laravel Reverb to be installed? Yes. Okay guys, now it is asking, would you like to install and build node dependencies as well? Yes. Yeah, that's it. The installation is done. Now you will notice few changes to our application, okay, after the installation. In .env folder, we have some new data generated. So we've got values like reverb app ID with a value and void reverb app key. Everything it's generated automatically. You don't have to do anything unless you want to configure something. But for our small app, we don't need this. Okay. The next change you will notice in resources.js echo.js. Everything is generated automatically. Okay, in order to check that this is working, let's actually listen for an event. Even though it's not created, we can still check if our echo and Laravel Reverb is listening for an event. Okay, let's do that. Here in echo.js, we're gonna write window.echo.channel. So we need the channel is going to be called message. And we're gonna listen to message sent event. We need to provide a callback function. Let's write it like this. Oh, we need an arrow. Yeah. We need to provide a callback function in order to tell it what is going to happen after we listen for this event. Okay. So for now, let's just console.log event, which we need to pass also here. Okay, that's it guys. Let's check if it is working, if our app is listening. Yeah. Now we are going to go to our docs again. Let's check how we can start the reverb. PHP Artisan Reverb start. Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's run npm run dev as well. Done. And let's run PHP Artisan serve to start our application. Let's open it. We gotta register. Name, email, random data, register. Okay, sorry, no. Again. Done. Right, let's check our console. In order to check that everything is working, first of all, check your console if you have no errors. This is actually a good sign that we have no error. We are going to network and we will check for our WebSockets here, right here. It might be here on your case, but you need to tap on this WebSockets. Okay, And yes, guys, everything is actually working. Just check, it's listening for channel message, as you can see. Okay, now let's make our chat work. So in order to make it work, we will have to create an event. We will have to create a view where we will write the message and input, and then we will have to append our message from here, from the event, to that view, to a div, for example. Right? This is very simple. Okay, let's try that. First of all, let's create an event. Let's open a new terminal. PHP artisan make event. We called it message send. So this event is actually from here. We called it like this. Okay, create it. We're going now to app events message send. We are now in the message send.php. Now we will have to create a new variable, public string message. Okay, let's accept it in the construct. Okay, this message equals message. Okay, so we've set our property message. Now we have to return a new channel, not a private channel, a new channel, and the channel name is message from here, channel, right? We are listening for message. Okay, and we have to implements should broadcast. That's it from here. Let's leave it for now. So basically here and here everything is almost done. Now let's create a new view. So firstly we are going to go to routes, and here in the middleware, in the auth middleware, let's copy the dashboard route and create a new one. We're gonna call it message. Okay, and we're gonna return view message. We don't need a name. Let's create a view. So resources, views, new view, file, message blade.php. Okay, let's copy from the dashboard the layout. We don't need the slot, and we don't need this either. Well, so we need a div with ID of chat box. So here we will append our messages. Okay, when we will have a message in our event, it's going to be appended here. After, we need input type text with the ID of message content, for example, and we need a button to send the message. Button with on click send message. Okay, so guys, I actually skipped a little bit in order not to waste the time. Let me just explain it fast what is happening here. So basically in our function send message, we are initiating a constant called message, which is grabbing the document get element by ID. So it's just grabbing the value of this input using the DOM. Okay, so in this variable is going to be stored the input value. Then we are using fetch to send a message. We have to create this. We haven't created this yet. The method is post, headers, we've got content type application.json, we've got the token, which is grabbed from our meta tag, and we've got the body json.stringify message. So our message is in our body, it's going to be in the request. Let's go here and create the send message route post. Route post. Okay. Send message. Okay, and we're gonna create a controller to do that. PHP artisan make controller send message controller. Okay, we need to comment this. Sorry about that. Firstly, we need to create a controller, and then we will write that. otherwise it's giving us an error. Controller is created. Okay, let's uncomment this now, and we will link the controller. Okay, up HTTP controllers, send message controller class, and comma the method send message. Okay, good guys, let's go to the controller and create the method HTTP controller send message public function send message. Okay, all right, let's grab the message from the request. So request message is going to be request message. Okay, and now we need to import our event that we have created. So use app events, it's called message sent. Good, now we're gonna dispatch the event, dispatch, and we're gonna pass the message right here as an argument. So let's return a status, return response. Okay, JSON status sent. Okay, that's it from here. We've got our layout here. Now what we have to do is to display the messages. Okay, so in the ID chat box we have to append a message. In order to do that, we are going to echo.js, and inside here we are going to append the message to our chat box. Okay, first of all, let's create a variable message equals event.message, right? Very good. Now we will create a new element. So let new element equals document dot create element, which is going to be div. Okay, new element dot text content equals message, and now we are going to append this to our chat box. So document dot get element by ID chat box dot append child, and is going to append the new element. Okay, new element. Alright guys, so the last thing that you have to do is to change a line from the env file. So here we have QE connection database, you're gonna type sync. Okay, that's it. Should be ready. Let's try it out. Refresh. Let's actually restart everything fast. So we're gonna start our reverb. Start it again. We're gonna restart our PHP artisan serve. Okay, let's restart, refresh, and let's type our first message. Hello, this is my first message. Send. Well, it is working. Now let's try it from another browser. Okay, from an incognito window. Let's copy the URL. We will have to register. Okay, so we register. John on email.com. Register. Okay. Hello from the John side. Send. Well guys, as you can see, everyone sees the message. Let's respond. Hello John, how are you? How are you? Yes, it is working. In this video, you've seen how simple it is to set up Laravel Reverb. Actually, I try to do it as fast and as simple as possible. If you like this video, just like, follow my channel, and I'm waiting for you in other interesting Laravel videos. Thank you.